Arris modem blinking blue light. 1. Check power connection. Ensure the modem is properly plugged in and the power outlet works. 2. Verify cable connections. Confirm the coaxial, Ethernet, and power cables are securely connected. 3. Restart the modem. Unplug the modem, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in to reset. 4. Observe LED behavior. After restarting, watch the lights. Solid blue means a stable connection. Five. Inspect signal levels. Access the modem's admin page, usually 192.168.0.1, to check signal strength. 6. Try a different cable. Replace the coaxial or Ethernet cable if it's damaged or loose. 7. Factory reset. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds to restore default settings if all else fails. 8. Check for overheating. Ensure the modem is in a well-ventilated area. Overheating can cause connectivity issues. 9. Update firmware. Log into the modem's admin panel to check for firmware updates.